What's up, guys? This is Alex from Twins Garage, and I'm heading over to Aaron's house right now.
What up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage. Got Alex here.
What up?
We just finished working on my grandpa's truck. We did the brakes. Alex did most of the work, but front and back.
Wheel bearing.
And Alex did the front wheel bearing. But anyways, I'm gonna show you this Ford Falcon.
Oh, Aaron, good shot at the battle.
Nice song. Okay, guys, got Josh here finally. You know, to work on his car.
Hey, you remember me?
Yeah, it's been since December or something like that since he's came here to work on it. My sister Natalie being gay. This kid. Love you. My mom. And then we got Al again. So we're gonna start. What?
Why would you call me that?
That's your nickname. So we're gonna start drilling out the core support and pulling this engine.
Pulling the engine will be the easiest thing.
I think it would be easier to drill this out than this edge coming straight out.
Oh yeah, we'll drill it.
They were acting a fool, not because that's what rock stars do, but it's because that's what Motley Crue does.
Keep. I don't know what
And a seizure over there. Yeah. Got some new drill bits. Aaron broke the other one. Keep going.
All right, so on the sides they have these like marks right here, and you just drill through the marks, and that's how you get the
You know that real skinny kid?
weld
He
out.
does, like, all...
Swag, bro. Swag.
I've never even used this thing.
I make swagger.
Guys, quick update. We're getting the front drilled out. Then a little slow, trying to help Josh with his car.
How long do you think I gotta leave it on there? Raise the glass!
Hey. And Josh over here rounded out his bolt we were working on. Stud or whatever it is. Now he's cutting
Turning it into dust.
Now he's just cutting the whole manifold.
Can't be tight if it's dust.
He's like, screw this manifold, I'm just cutting it off.
All right, so this looks like shit because we just kind of gave up at the end and started breaking everything off. But we got the whole front off. And I got to patch a couple spots down there. Just kind of bent it off and broke it.
Garbage.
But we don't need it anymore because we got a new one over there. Oh shit, I didn't even see this.
Yeah,
I did that with the
screwdriver. My bad.
So I'm going to take off, but Aaron's going to finish pulling the engine out.
Possibly.
There's no possibly about it. He's going to pull it out. He only has like 2 more bolts left.
Okay, Alex is leaving. Bye, Alex.
Bye.
I've been here for 12 hours. Pretty much. Yeah, well, you got here at what, 8:30?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? Yeah.
8:30.
That's the earliest he's woken up in probably 15 years.
Yeah, right.
Andrew showed up.
2 hours later.
Getting the engine pulled. Sup, guys? I didn't get a whole lot of footage. My bad. It's a lot harder with my phone. It's really nice having Alex's GoPro, though. So I definitely need to invest in one of those soon. But anyways, boom, got the old engine over here, which Andrew says he's gonna buy it now. We'll see. He wants to buy the engine and my trans because I decided I'm gonna do the WX trans because I don't want to cut up my harness to get this trans to plug in because the RS and the WX trans don't interchange, or they don't go together with the wiring. So gonna probably do the WX trans out of the yellow car. I'll just need a new harness for it. So, but we got the engine out. We left the trans in here for now. I'll show you. So, to recap on what we did today, we drilled out the front core support. We got the new one over here, which is gonna be a lot of work to get that in. We tried sitting up there, and that guy had probably bent that all up, you know, getting it out. So it's gonna be a lot of fabrication to get that in there and to look nice. So we got the engine out. I still need to get the rested up subframe out. That's like the only rusty part of the car, really. I mean, it is looking like Swiss cheese down there, but the rest of the car looks good. I got a new U-shaped subframe that's gonna go in. We got to get the rack and pinion off, get this little knuckle off, get the engine cradle out, and get the WX one off of the parts car and put that in here. Trans is going to come out first, obviously. And yeah, then I'll probably clean up the engine bay, do a lot of cutting, welding, and painting primer, just so I don't want any of this bare metal to rust. Obviously, when we weld, we'll have to grind little spots off to weld, but I want to do a lot of cleanup because it didn't come off as easy as the parts car core sport did. That was a lot easier. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it now, so please comment, like, subscribe, share the video, and if you enjoyed it, check out some of our other videos. We have 30, close to 30 some videos. Yeah, they're not the best, but we've had a lot of fun filming them. I definitely had a lot of fun today. It's been a very busy day. Started off the day, Alex got here pretty early in the morning. Well, early for Alex. We went and helped my grandpa at my aunt's house down the road do his brakes and ball joint. And then we came over here. Josh came over. He started working on his intake. He stripped that bolt. So he said screw it and took the grinder and started cutting off the manifold. And it did not work out as well as he thought, so he gave up and left. So who knows when we'll be back for, probably 5 more months. Alex did most of the work. He drilled out the core support. We got that off. And then Andrew and I pulled the engine. So, got a lot of work left. I have no idea. Honestly, budget-wise, I don't think I'm going to get this car done this year. I need about $700 worth of parts coming up here in the next couple weeks. So I sold Alex my trailer for the money so I can get the parts so I can finish building this new engine. So again, please comment, like, subscribe, and peace. See you next time. Boom.